Hi everyone, how is it going? My name is Shai, and if you want to know more about SONOFIT, if it works, stay with me until the end of my video because I'm gonna tell you some essential things that you need to know before you purchase the SONOFIT supplement, okay? Guys, the first thing that you need to know about SONOFIT is that you have to be very careful where you're gonna buy it from, okay? Because SONOFIT is only sold on its official website, and to help you, I left the link of the official website below in the description of my video. So where is SONOFIT and does it really work? And the answer is yes, SONOFIT works, and after many lab tests, researchers have identified that there is like a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that help support hearing. Guys, according to scientists at the Himalayan Institute of Medical Science, hearing loss occurs when the eardrum loses elasticity due to an inflammation triggered by the body's immune system when it is like it's exposed to a new threat, okay? And this new threat comes from toxic medical chemicals or toxins, which unfortunately can be found in most medications prescribed daily by doctors without knowing it, okay? And by addressing the root cause of hearing loss, SONOFIT acts like an eardrum bandage, calming and helping the eardrum to recover, protecting it from future damage. So for sure that you can trust in SONOFIT supplements. Guys, there are a lot of people having great results with SONOFIT, and you can have results as well. But however, you must keep in mind that each person reacts in a very unique way, okay? And this is obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and also your expectation with your supplement, okay? So guys, and there is something really important about this product that you must know before you buy it, okay? So it has a money-back guarantee, so you can actually test SONOFIT for 60 days, and if you don't see results, or I don't know, you don't like it for any other reason, they will give you all your money back, okay? And for SONOFIT to work, you must take the treatment very seriously. This is really important, alright? And you have to take it every day, otherwise you won't see great results and you will get a little bit frustrated in the end. Guys, you can see the initial results already in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product and following the complete treatment. And it's very important for you to know that SONOFIT has no side effects because it's natural, okay? Inside SONOFIT, you will find a proprietary formula of 8 special high-quality natural oils and plant extracts that are specifically created to support healthy hearing. It's incredible, isn't it, guys? You can check out all the details on the official website, okay? So I wanted to record this video first to warn you to be very careful about the website where you purchase SONOFIT, and also guys, if you buy this product, do the exact treatment and take it very seriously, and remember to keep in your mind, guys, that your results will be totally different from those of any other person, because your body acts in a very unique way, okay? And I really hope that this video has helped you, and I also hope that SONOFIT helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes, okay? And if you are already using SONOFIT, please leave a comment here about how your treatment was, okay? So you can help other people, alright? Thank you so much. Bye-bye.